Hi guys, it's Fran from FraN's Braiding. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this simple loose French braid. To start, grab a section of hair from the top of your head and divide it into 3 equal pieces. Take your right strand and pass it over into the middle, and then your left strand and pass it over into the middle. When you take your right strand again, this time we grab a little section of hair from the head and we add it into that strand and we pass both of them over into the middle. We then take our left strand, we grab some hair from the head, we add it in and pass it over into the middle. We keep going like that, so we grab our right strand, add some hair and pass it over to the middle. And then we take our left strand, we add a little bit of hair and we pass it over into the middle. Just keep braiding like that and keep in mind this simple thing. The smaller the strands, the tighter the braid at the end. The bigger the strands, the looser the effect that the braid is gonna have. You're gonna keep braiding till you reach the base of your neck, adding hair, and then when you reach the base of your neck, keep braiding without having to add any more hair into it. Keep braiding till you're satisfied with the length of your braid and close everything up with a little elastic. When you're done, you can go back and pull out a little bit of the strands just to give the braid a little more of a loose effect. This is the final style. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, put a thumb up and I'll see you next time. Bye!